Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have got a Beachly box. Now I will say, I'm not sure if this is the men's or the women's because, this is the men's because I subscribe to both. And I will say the men's box is always awesome and has things that are useful. I would love if the men's or the women's kind of did more like the men's, but regardless, good things come in the women's as well. And I used a lot of them on my vacation last week. So let's talk about the men's box. So Beachly for men's is a quarterly box. It is $99 a quarter, plus shipping. But you will get at least $180 or more value. And let me just say, for the spring box in the men's, there was a pair of, I believe they were Tumi sunglasses, like valued at like $245. $245. That was just one of the items in that box, you guys. The men's box, you do not get to pick what is in here. So I'm not sure what is in here, and I intentionally did not look. So here's the men's box. I love that beach surfboard picture. And I do like that. So this is the summer 2025. Aloha fellas. This is just, a welcome, a little message to us. So I'm not going to read all of that. Because I want to dig in. Now, when you sign up, you do give sizes. First item, and I will say my husband should be unboxing this, but he doesn't want to be on camera. So I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to put it back into the box, and I'm going to make him open it in front of me. Okay, the first item here is by Florence Marine X, and it is a t-shirt that says Hawaii Florence on it. Okay. Now I will say I am not familiar with all like surf kind of brands, if this is a surf brand or an island brand, but it is a very nice t-shirt. It is very good quality. It has a little Florence there. It's got a nice thickness. It's a nice t-shirt, you guys. And my husband will love it and he will wear it. So that's our first item. Second item is also another piece of clothing. And I will say the men's boxes get clothing. I believe they have gotten shoes before. They've gotten hats before. And my husband wore some of this stuff on our vacation last week as well. So we have another shirt. And this is a reef shirt, you guys. So it's not a cheap shirt by any means. Oh, well, this one has a price tag on the back. So it says $45. Oh, well, I thought it was going to be a little bit more than that, but regardless, it is a shirt that has sun protection, UPF 50. It's it's like stretchy material, you guys. And so it's stretchy material. It's got long sleeves. It has a hood, and it says reef on the front. So, and this is how like the hood goes. Very nice quality. I didn't notice this. It does say reef on the arm as well. So again, great quality, great brand, great shirt. All right, you guys, I'm going to keep going because there's still more. So here it looks like we have, maybe it's a pair of swim trunks? Or maybe just shorts? Let's see here. So it is a pair of shorts. They are swim, but I will say they have you give range, or they have you give size, and they'll fill it with that size if they have that size. The size that they gave me, I'm hoping that they're not too big for my husband. I hope. but it does have a drawstring. So they are swim trunks. I love the pattern. They've got a pocket. They got a floaty here for your keys. And inside there is another little pocket right here. Isn't that cute? And they have got a little, what's that called? Loop, so you can hang to help to dry. And they do have drawstrings. So let me see how well these, how well do these draw up? Okay, so it looks like it's, the drawstring is, I'm gonna have to play with it because it doesn't seem like the drawstring is going, okay, yeah, the drawstring does go all the way around. So you can tighten those on his waist. And we got the 2 pockets. So I hope that these fit okay and look okay because they're double X. I hope, because I really like them. Oh, and the brand is Catton. There. So again, another quality item. And we still got 2 more. Thanks, you guys. So also by the brand Catton, we have a hat. Locals mostly. Now I will say, I don't know if my husband is going to wear this. I will use this if he does not. And it's one of those. So this item has a price tag of $29. Let me see. So the reef said $45, right? And these are $59. We get more than what we spent. There's not a tag. Wait, no, there is a tag here, $38. So even if these, I mean, you guys, the values here. One last item. This is a high tide beach towel by Reef, $35. I love me some beach towels. Let's check it out. All right. And it's a manly beach towel. My husband will like that. It says Reef on it. And kind of decorative there. Some more leaves. So great box, you guys. Amazing box. Value is here. So I'm going to add this up. So I got 35 plus 45. We got 80. And I dropped something. Oh, the hat. 80. With this hat, the 109. And with these 168. And this has got to be at least 25, if not more. So we 100% we have our value here. Another Beachly men's box that I am super happy about. So let's do our ratings, you guys. Find here. Okay, so this is our Beachly men's and the experience. I mean, it was fun. It was fun. Was it a great experience? I mean, it was just opening the packages, but it's also a men's box. Swimming experience, it was exciting because I liked the products and I was getting great value, but it was nothing great. So I'm just going to say 7. Quality, I'm going to go a 10, you guys. I'm going to go a 10. Value, I was initially going to go with 1 number, but it's like, I'm not sure those shorts are going to fit. But it's still there. Oh gosh, I'm going to say 10. New, unique, different. There are 2 brands here that I'm not familiar with. So that's new and different for me personally. So I'm going to go with an 8. Retention and usability, a 10. Oh, sorry. Nope. I got to back up here. I'm going to go with a 9. I'm going to go with a 9 just because I'm leery about those shorts. I don't think they're going to fit my husband. I think they're going to be way too big. Even, you know, if he pulls them, he's not going to want to be all bunched up, you know. So still great scores, you guys. Still amazing box. So we are at 44 out of 50. So another great box, you guys. Another great box. This one is from Beachly Men's. Go check it out. Your man should love it. So, as always, thanks for spending some time with me. Hope you enjoyed this boxing. If you did, I would love for you to continue to spend some time with me. Click the subscribe, like the video if you like it. Comment, give me your impression. Do you know someone who would love this box? I'm sure you do. So take care, everyone, and we will see each other again soon. Bye-bye.